Hola, hola amigos! Hello friends, it's me! Ms Faby! Today, we are going to visit the farm! Yes! We are going to play, learn, and have so much fun together! Are you ready to come to the farm with me?
Yes!
Yes! Vamos a la granja! ¿Listos? Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! ¡Vamos! Friends, look what I have here. My little barns.
Wow!
Mis casitas de la granja. We are going to find out what's inside. Maybe they are hiding some animals. Let's find out together.
Yes!
What's inside this red barn? En la roja. Can you say roja?
Yes!
Yes, good job. Okay, let's open. Oh no. It's empty. Let's call the animals to come to their barn. Animals, where are you? Oh, where are they? Look, friends, I see a door in the purple barn. En la casita morada hay una puerta. Should we knock on the door to see if someone is inside?
Yes!
Yes, let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Abre. Oh no. No animals inside the purple barn. Okay, maybe on the yellow farm we have something. Let's see. Should we knock again? La casita amarilla. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Peekaboo! There's nothing inside. No animals yet in there. But don't worry. We are going to find the animals soon. Let's go get them together. Let's go. Vamos a encontrar los animales. Animales. ¿Dónde están? Where are you? Let's go. Wow! Friends, amigos, now we are on the farm. Where are the animals? Here they are. Oh, hi cow. Hi pig. Oh, they are so cute. Are you guys ready to learn animals in Spanish and English?
Yes!
Yes. I brought my little animals. I want you to learn with me. Let's see. What animal is this? This is a cow. And in Spanish, we say la vaca. Yes, good job. And what sound does a cow make? Moo. Oh, hi, cow. You scared me. Hi, cow. Moo, la vaca. What animal is this? The horse, yes! In Spanish, we say el caballo. And what sound does the horse make? Oh, yes! Neigh! Neigh! Yes, good! And who knows what this animal is? The pig! Yes! El cerdo! Oink, 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 oink. Aww! So cute! I love little pigs. And let's see who knows what animal this is. It's the chicken! Yes! And in Spanish, we say la gallina! Yes! Chicken? It scared me, so silly! Great job! Now, we are going to imitate the animals. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Vamos! Okay, now we're going to act like the cow. I wonder what do they eat? Grass. Yes, la grama. Ready? Let's eat grass like a cow. Look at the cow. Yes, good job. So yummy. Thank you, cow. Now, can you flap your wings like a chicken? Como la gallina? Ready? Let's go. Yay! Good job. That was a chicken. Now, what do horses do? Do they walk very slow like a turtle? Or they can gallop very quick? Yes, they can gallop very quick. Are you guys ready? Let's gallop together. 1, 2, 3. Hi, horse. Yes. The horse goes so fast. I'm so tired. And now, what do pigs do? Yes, they like to roll in the mud. Let's do it. Vamos a hacerlo. ¿Listos? Roll, roll, roll in the mud. Roll, roll, rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling in the mud. Rolling, rolling. Wow! amazing! ¡Qué bien lo hicieron! Yay! Now it's time for our farm puzzle. We are going to match each animal and put it in their home. So let's start with the cow. Can you help me?
Yes.
Let's see. Does the cow go here?
No.
No. Does the cow go here?
No.
No, silly. Yes, it goes here. You're right. Moo. What about the pig? Does the pig go here?
No.
No. It goes here. Yes, good job. And what about the horse? El caballo. Click.
Yes.
Yes. You guys did it. We put all the farm animals in their houses. Thank you. Great job. High five. Today, we visited the farm. We played with our little barns, with our farm animals, and we put each animal in their puzzle. You guys did amazing. But before we leave, let's remember together the animals in English and Spanish. Let's see the first one. The cow. La vaca. Yay. The pig. El cerdo. The chicken. La gallina. And the horse. El caballo. Yay, you guys remembered. Thank you so much for coming to the farm with me. I'll see you next time with Ms Faby, where we learn, where we play, and where we have so much fun. Bye. Chao, chao. Nos vemos.